Okay, this video will show you how to use a number of different apps, ReadIris, Claro PDF, the Chrome app, and also the Google Drive app, to take pictures of documents, use ReadIris to scan them, and then upload them to Drive accounts to make them accessible in ReadWrite for Google. So it's kind of like a scanning workaround in a way, available to students who are already using iPads. So the first thing I wanted to show you is that you do need a number of different apps in order to be able to do this. So the first app that you're going to need is the Chrome app. Okay, so you're going to want to make sure you have the Chrome app installed. You're also going to make sure you have the Google Drive app installed. You'll want to make sure you have ReadIris installed. And also, you're going to want to make sure you have Claro PDF installed on your iPad. All of these are downloadable from the iTunes store. So first of all, the first step is, because our accounts are managed through BPS, you're going to need to log in to Chrome, okay, just like you would do if you were at your computer. So I'm going to tap on Chrome, and I'm going to select another account. You can see I already have one account on this app. I'm going to just select another, and I'm going to sign in. And obviously, if you were doing this for a student, you would be signing in with their BPS apps address. So you can see that it's signing in, and you'll have to authenticate it. Okay, and so you can see it added my account. If you had multiple students using this, you could go to Manage Accounts and you could add another as well. Okay, so I am done, and you can see now, if I go to my settings, you can see that I'm logged in as myself into Chrome. The next thing I want you to do is go to your Google Drive app. And once you've opened it, if you just select Get Started, you should be able to select the account that you want to log into your Drive app with, and it will automatically load your account. Same thing as Chrome. If you would want to add another account, you would simply tap on your name up here. You would click on your account, and you could do the same thing and add another account. I recommend always being logged into Chrome as the student, so that your Drive will then also log in automatically as that student. Okay? All right, now we're ready. So I have previously taken a picture of a worksheet that was handed to me by a teacher, let's say. And so that picture is in my camera roll. And you can see that it's right here. Okay, so that picture's in my camera roll, so it's ready to go. Okay, I'm now ready to start. I'm going to go to my ReadIris app. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to do is just tap to add a document to this ReadIris app. So I'm going to do that. And when I tap it, you can see I can select from photos or take a picture. You could also take a picture of the worksheet right from this ReadIris app. In this case, I have done it prior. So I'm going to go from photos. I'm going to go out to my camera roll, and I'm going to get that worksheet. And you can see it's going to load it. Okay, once it's loaded, you'll notice there's a blue highlight around it. That means it's selected. Okay, I'm now going to go over to the top right corner of my iPad screen with this little box with the right arrow. I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to select Open In. As I select Open In, you see that it's recognizing the pages. That is OCRing it. That is what is needed in order for a program like ReadWrite for Google to be able to read this worksheet. So now I have all these different options of what I would like to open this in. And if I would go in straight into Drive from here, Drive would not upload this because it isn't in a workable format yet. I need to get this into a PDF first. So I'm going to open it in Claro PDF. So I just tap Claro PDF. And you can see it automatically opens up the worksheet that I had selected in ReadIris. A tip on ReadIris is to keep it clean. Once you've brought your documents into Claro PDF, delete them, or else it wants to upload everything that you have in there. Once I'm here, I'm now in Claro PDF. I am going to go ahead and upload this to my Drive account. So I'm going to select the right-hand corner of my screen again, the box with the arrow. And I'm going to select Open In. And if I go down and tap Open, I have an option to open in Google Drive. I'm going to select that, Open in Google Drive. It's going to ask me if I want to upload. I'm going to say yes. Okay, and you can see here it has uploaded that picture that I took. I OCR'd it in Read Iris. I opened it in Claro PDF to get it into a PDF format, and it's now opened it up in Drive in my PDF format. Okay, so I could open this if I would like, and I would be able to see it. But now I want to test that on my computer, logging into my Drive to making sure that Read Write for Google will read it. Okay. So I'm just going to turn mirroring off on my iPad, not something you'd have to do, but now I just want you to see my computer screen. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to open up Chrome, and I'm going to log into my Drive account. Okay, and you can see here is that document that we just uploaded to the Drive app from our iPad. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And you can see that it's going to open with Read Write for Google. And I'm going to now test reading this just to make sure that it reads. It should read because I had Read Iris OCR this document. So we're going to test it.
Chapter 9 Review WXF. Define the following people or terms.
So you can see it reads really nicely. So this is a workaround, for students who already have iPads and who are also using Read Write for Google from a PC. A quick option for the classroom is to take a picture of that worksheet once the teacher hands it out. Make sure you're signed into Chrome on your iPad. Make sure you're signed into Drive on your iPad. Once you've taken that picture, upload it to Read Iris, open it in Claro PDF, and then open it in your Drive. It's really quite a few easy steps. Thank you.